All right, 7th graders, lesson 6-9. This is fun because, put your feet down. This is fun because this is about shopping for things and how you find sale prices, the best deals, and it's all about understanding what markup is. So when a store marks up the price, that's how they make profit. And then discount is an amount off. That's the sale price, or finding the sale price. And it has to do with percentages, all right? Guys, focus here. And then,
knocking on the door.
Quickly.
Hey, yo, what's up, Ethan?
All right.
What's up, my fam?
Lisa? That's enough. Focus here now. All right? Now, to find the markup, and this is a good model to understand markup. Let me draw this out for you first, okay? So, when a company gets a product that they want to sell, or maybe they make something that they want to sell, they either buy it or produce it, and that is a cost to them, okay? So they can buy it from somebody else that made it. Most companies buy the things from another company that makes the product. They buy it for a certain price, and then they mark it up an additional amount and sell it to the consumer. And that amount that they mark it up is a percentage of the cost. It's an amount, but it's also a percentage of the cost. And so that amount is called the markup amount. And so the cost plus the markup amount is the selling price. Okay? Oftentimes you'll see it written as the manufacturer's retail price, or suggested retail price, MSRP. Okay? You'll see that on the tag, the manufacturer's suggested retail price, or the selling price. Sometimes just called the regular price. Okay? Max, is this an emergency?
I forgot my pencils.
Okay.
I'll get you pencil.
So I have. Go get it. Quickly. So that's a model for markup. So if let's say that somebody buys a product and it costs $10 to them. Either $10 to make it or $10 to purchase it from another company that made it. And they're going to mark it up 75%. So, how much of that, or what is the additional amount then that they're marking it up? What is 75% of $10?
I know. $7.50.
$7.50, right. You would take $10 times the decimal of 75%. So 10 times 7.75. So that would be $7.50. So then what is the selling price in this case? Then what's the selling price? Garrett? 10 plus
10 plus?
750.
17.55.
Yeah. $17.50. Okay? So that's a 75% markup. All right? Now, well, are there any questions then based on what this model is and what the markup is? What's the difference between the percent markup and the actual markup amount? What's the difference between the percent markup, like 75%, and the amount of markup?
Well, if it was a different...
Raise your hand, Asa. Go ahead.
If it was a different percent, it would be a different number.
What do you mean the different percent and different number?
Like if it was 60%, it was $10, it would be 60. I mean, $6.
All right, so we're talking about the difference between the actual amount, the dollar amount, and the dollar amount is not the same as the percent amount, is it? You have to find the amount based on the percent. Or you have to find what part of the amount, the cost, what the actual amount is. 75% of $10 is $7.50. So that's the amount that you're finding. All right? And that's the same thing, what you'll have to do here with finding the sale price or the discount. Look at this model. So the discount is equal to the starting or the selling price, the regular price, minus the sale price. Okay? And make sure you have these in your notes. The sale price is equal to the regular price minus the discount. Now, this discount is a discount amount, isn't it? So you can't do, if it's, let's say that something is $95. The regular price is $95. Okay? If it's 25% off, do we do $95 minus 25 to get the amount off? $95 minus 25%. So is it $70 then? Is it $70? Why not? Why isn't this then $70? The discount price. Garrett?
Well, 25 you have to make to a 0.25, and then wait.
We have to change it to this decimal, right?
Yep.
So then do we subtract 95 minus 0.25? What are we finding here? What is it that we're trying to find?
Times it.
Times it, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you need to find what? What are you finding when you times it?
The price? The discount.
Yeah, which one?
Sales.
The sale price?
The sale discount.
The sale discount.
The regular price.
Which one?
Sale discount.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Discount.
Okay. So what is 25% of 95?
Carrot.
Adam. What is 25% of 95?
This is what you use here. On. Clear. Carrot. Stop it.
Luke?
It's 23.75. No, you
No
do
clue?
100 divided by 95 times 0.5.
Sam?
Wouldn't it be 22.75?
Yeah, look. 23.75. So is that the new price? Is that the price then?
No.
Yes.
If you a pair of shoes, right? We're talking, let's say we got a pair of basketball shoes, they're $95. Okay. And they're 25% off. So do they cost $23.75?
No, it's the sale price, right?
Is that the sale price? You get,
It's a discount, right?
that's the what?
Discount.
The discount. What does that mean?
How much is off?
Well, that's how much it is off.
That's the
Yeah.
regular
So
price
what
of
is
the
the actual
price.
price then, Adam?
I got it. Come on.
What is the actual amount you pay if your KDs
Ooh,
were 25% off?
So wait.
$71.50.
$71 and what?
25 cents.
25 cents. Yep. Now look at this model. So look at, this is what this means. If we're starting with the regular price of $95, that's 100%. And we're going to take 25% off. We have to subtract that amount. We have to find what that amount is by finding what 25% of the original price is. So you do 95 times 0.25, and you get $23.75.
Wait, can you explain that again?
The regular price
Ow.
times 0.25 is the amount of the discount. That's the amount off. That's 25% off,
Okay.
okay?
Then,
Then you subtract that from $95 and you end up with the remaining amount. That's the remaining amount that you're gonna pay,
23.75.
okay? Now, think of it this way, Johnny. If it's 25% off, what is the remaining percent? What? 75%, right? It's 75%, because 75% plus 25% is 100%, right? So another way to do this is if it's 25% off, if we find 75% of the total, or the remaining percent of the total, we can skip the subtraction part, can't we? So we could just find the remaining percent, or the remaining amount right away, using the remaining percent. You see that?
Yeah.
If we find 75% of the amount, we're finding the price that we have to pay. Okay?
Don't erase the note.
Yeah, I'm still right there.
Go change with the change with
Look at this model, Max. Okay? This is 25% off. 25% of the regular price is $23.75. So if we subtract that amount, it's equal to $71.25. This is 75% of the total. This is 25% of the total. That's why this model is helpful. Okay? It helps you to see the amount off, the amount remaining, and the percentage off and the percent remaining. Okay?
Wait, so that would be 95 times 75 hundred would be the $71?
Right, because that's the remaining percentage. And the remaining amount then is $71.25. Yep.
Yeah.
You got that? So, if you go to your assignment, let's see, you had to do number 2 first. Oh, wait. Let's do this. So, number 2. Let's start with the cost plus the what? Equals the selling price. Cost plus what? Max, open your book.
Wait,
It's
number 2.
okay.
Right here, on problem 2, right here.
Yep.
No, yeah.
The cost plus what is the selling price?
335.
Come on, people. The cost plus the
Selling price. No,
What?
the
The
cost
discount.
plus the discount
No.
Plus the
equals the
markup.
selling price? No, plus the markup.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Come on,
I said the
Sarah.
second time.
All right. What is the cost?
My orchard.
Let's put the amounts up above and the
I got it.
percentages down below. The cost is
It's $38.
French fries. Hey, Garrett.
plus what?
Plus, percent of markup is 58%.
Putting the percentages down below, just like we did before with our other amounts. So 58% 58% of
Oh, I know
the
what it is.
cost,
Oh, yeah, mine's in here.
82.0.
so that's 38 times 0.58.
Wait, so, I get it.
What is the amount of markup then?
22.04. That's what I
You agree?
got. Yep.
And then what's the selling price?
60.04.
60.04.
We're just supposed to find it.
Wait, you're supposed to find
It's
What?
not that
We're supposed to
complicated.
find
You
What's
just need to
complicated?
use glasses,
Right.
Max. You have glasses.
Max, what's complicated?
You need to be listening to the order of what.
Well, it gives you the cost,
Cost.
And the percent markup.
and it gives you the percent markup.
Then you need to do the cost.
So you have to find the
Times the
amount of
decimal
markup.
of the percent markup. But then you add it
Plus
to
22.4.
plus
Zero.
You add it to plus the cost to get your selling price.
No, French fry.
It's still a little bit confusing, but I think I understand a little bit more.
Well, we have to first put in the given information. Okay?
So at $38 plus the percent of markup, which is 58%.
Right.
You got it.
We have to convert percentages to decimals.
Yep, so that's 0.58.
Yep. And then you have to use the decimal to find the amount. Alright, so then you're going to either be finding the amount of the markup, or the amount later will be finding the amount of the discount. Alright, the procedure is the same.
I just have one more question. How did you get 22? Oh, it's 38 times.
You have to find the percent
Okay, and that was like plus or something.
Let's do one with class. Hold on. Let's do one from the other.
Number 6.
Yeah, number 6. Now we're finding the amount of markup.
Everyone knows it's 3 months.
So the cost is $6. The markup is 75%, and that equals the selling price. Right? Cost plus the markup. Hey, quiet, please. Asa. Talking. So we have to do the same thing. Put in the given information. Convert this to a decimal. What is this as a decimal? Oh, Johnny? Johnny? What is this as a decimal? Yep. What do we do with this, Caleb? What do you do with 0.75?
Multiply it by 6.
Good. 6 times 0.75 equals the amount of markup, right?
Yeah.
How much is that?
Just
Adam?
That is 4.5.
What is it?
4.5.
4.5? What does that mean? 4.5%? Where does that go? Hold on. Where does that go?
chill, bro.
Six plus 4.5.
Good. Isn't this $4.50?
Yeah.
All right. That's what you need to understand. This is the amount of markup, so it's $4.50. Okay? and then add them together. It equals $10. Okay. Merlin.
Can you do number 12?
Yes.
I'm gonna do let's see.
Number 12. That's one where you're finding the discount. So that's a different procedure. Not step 12, this is number 12. The regular price. So now we're kind of working backwards, okay? Remember, the regular price is 100%. And that is given to you as $100. No, I'm sorry. Number 12 is $24.50. So this is the regular price. Okay? Then we're going to take off the discount. And that's going to give us the sale price. Okay? What's the percent of the discount in this one? Matt?
What's the percent of the discount?
Yep. Number 12.
Oh, number 12, I thought you were going
Okay, number 10.
So, the percent of discount is 20%.
So what do we need to take off then? How much are we going to take off? What's the amount of discount? AJ?
I'm just copying on the model. I don't really understand this right now.
You don't understand this?
No. Well, not
Well-
the discount thing. I
well-
understand the other one.
Well then why don't you pay attention to this? Because we're doing a question on discount right now.
Yeah, I know. I'm writing down what you're writing down.
Okay, so now think, well, how would we find 20% discount? You have to convert it to a decimal. What is this as a decimal?
It's 0.2. 0.2.
Yeah. Now, how do we use that to find an amount?
Do it times the sales price.
We don't know the sale price.
Oh, I know.
I don't know.
I know.
You have to
Well, what are we trying to find 20% of? No.
Just times it by the
We
regular
don't know the
price.
sale price.
The regular price.
The regular price, we're going to take off 20% of the regular price. So we have to do what? What's up here? How did we find the percent? Convert it to a decimal and then multiply the amount times the decimal. So what would we do in this one? Where's the amount given? 2450 times what?
20%.
Good. And what is that?
Oh, I understand this now.
What is that?
It would be. Oh no.
Okay. Quiet, please.
$4.9.
$4.9. What is that?
$4.90.
Okay. So that's the amount we're taking off. Now, how do we find the actual sale price? Adam?
You do $4.90 minus $24.50.
Try it the other way. Start with the big amount.
Oh.
Great. And then that's the sale price. Okay, what is that? Gary?
19.6.
What does that mean? 19.6?
dollars. Sale price. $19.60.
Oh, $19.60, yep.
And I have a question.
All right, hold on, one more thing. If this is 20%, what is the remaining percent?
80.
This is 80%. So this sale price is 80% of the regular price. Or we're finding a discount of $4.90, right? The sale price, listen, to check yourself, check your numbers, the sale price plus the regular price equals what? I'm sorry, the sale price plus the discount should equal what? The regular price. Yep. The sale price plus the amount of discount should equal the regular price. Once you find this, you should be able to check your answer. Okay? Any questions on this?
He has a question.
Garrett?
Okay, so on the regular ones, like we did number 6, you add the cost and the markup figure. But on the one that we just did, number 12, you minus because it's flipped.
You're working backwards.
Yeah,
Yep. You're working backwards. So we know what the regular price is. In this, we didn't know what the regular price was. Okay?
Yep, got it now.
You got it?
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Dude, I'm only like 3 bucks.
Any other questions? All right. That's how you find markup and discount.